Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dami, and if you want to get to know a little bit about me, just stay tuned and hear what I have to say about my 50 questions tag. Okay, so I'll be looking at my phone, so if you see me looking down, that's what I'm going to be doing. First question is your full name. My full name is Dominique Wade, and my first name is not spelled the regular way. It's spelled D-A-M-A-N-I-Q-U-E instead of D-O-M-I-N-I-Q-U-E, which my grandma said she found. She saw this name in the magazine before, and she thought it was so unique, and that's where I got the name from. And my last name is from my husband, Wade. Second question is what is my zodiac sign? My zodiac sign is Aquarius. My birthday was just this Saturday and I just turned 27. So yes, it's Aquarius. I'm born on the 26th of January. Number 3, fears. I fear insects. And yeah, insects and heights. I think those two things. And I'm not such a fan of roller coaster rides, so you can say that's a fear, I guess. Number 4, 3 things I love. I love my family. I just had a daughter, she's so cute. And I love my friends, and I just love my life. Number 5, best friend. My best friend, well, you can say I have 2. My childhood best friend, her name is Gary, and my now best friend, her name is Sashana. And also can't forget my husband, because he gonna say something too. So yeah, he's my best friend also. Number 6, the last song I listened to, honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I know I went on a trip over the weekend, but I can't remember what song I last listened to. Turn-ons. A turn-on for me, let's see, of course, good looks. The guy has to be taller, a little taller than me. He doesn't have to be drastic, but you know, because I'm tall myself, so if the guy's a little taller, then it's just a deal breaker. And yeah, good looks, height. Turn off. Short. Sorry. Short guys. And bad breath. Yeah, turn off. That was number 8. Number 9. What color underwear am I wearing right now? It's gray and white, if anybody wants to know. How many tattoos / piercings do I have? I have no tattoos. I do have piercings, only in my ears though. That's about it. So I have 2 in this one, 2 in the other. The reason why I start blogging. I've been thinking about it for a while, and I've always liked to do makeup, but I want to like see myself progress with doing makeup, so that's the reason why I did it. And friends have always told me, you know, why don't you start a YouTube channel? And when I used to work at my last job, customers will always come in and always complimenting me on my makeup, and then from there, you know, this is where I started YouTube. That was number 11. Number 12, how am I feeling right now? As of right now, I'm feeling pretty relaxed, a little sleepy. That's about it. Number 13, something I really, really want. Something I really, really want. Something I really, really want is for money to grow on trees. Am I wrong? I'm sure there are a lot of people out there that would wish money grew on trees, because nobody really want to work. So yeah, I wish money grew on trees. My relationship status, of course, you know, I'm married, going on 3 years this year, yay. And meaning behind my URL, Miss Dammy. Dammy's a pet name of mine, so I just put the Miss in front of it because I couldn't use the Dammy by itself. It was already taken, so that's just the meaning behind it. And my favorite movie. My favorite movie would have to be all the Harry Potter movies. I just love them. Not so much of a Twilight fan. I love the books, but the movies were like a downgrade. My favorite song. My favorite song. Anything really. Rihanna, Chris Brown. You can put Chris Brown in there too. Rihanna or Chris Brown. I don't really have a favorite song, but yeah, you can say those two. My favorite band. I don't have a favorite band, but I do have a favorite artist. She's Rihanna, and a Navy fan, and I like Beyonce too. I don't mind Beyonce, Chris Brown, but Rihanna, yes. I'm like not counting anymore, but right now I'm on number 19. 3 things that makes me upset. First will be, sometimes my husband's annoying. So when he annoys me, it gets me upset, especially if I'm asking him a question and he does not answer. That upsets me. Another thing, number 2, that would upset me, customers that really want the most ridiculous things. They annoy me or upset me. They mostly annoy me, not really upset. I don't really know a third one. I can't think of it right now. But yeah. Number 20. 3 things that makes me happy. Being with my family, my little family. My husband and my daughter, and then my immediate family. I love family get-togethers. I'm a family person, so yes, that's what makes me happy. Traveling makes me happy. What else? Just being alive makes me happy. Yeah. And number 21. What I find attractive in other people. Sense of humor and the smile. If they can make me smile, I find that attractive. So yes. Someone I miss. I miss my Aunt Rose and my dad, because he's in Jamaica, so I miss him. And yeah. Number 23. Someone I love. My husband, my parents. My relationship with my parents. My relationship with my parents are really good. My dad lives in Jamaica. My mom lives here, and I talk to my mom pretty much almost every day. My father, I talk to him every week. Not every day, but every week or 2. So we have a pretty good relationship. They mostly call me though because they want to see my daughter. So it's not really about me. It's about her. My favorite holiday, gotta be Christmas. Christmas and Christmas. Yeah, Christmas. If I could take the whole month off, I would. But yeah, I love Christmas. My closest vlogging friend, I don't have one. None of my friends are vlogging, so I don't have one. Someone famous I'd date. I can't say I would date Chris Brown because of the whole, you know, abuse thing. Someone famous I would date. I don't know. No one really. If I was on the girl side, maybe Rihanna, but apart from that, no one really. A confession. A confession. Now that's number 28. Do I have any confessions? I talk to myself a lot. Well, you gotta, you know, communicate with yourself from here and now, you know, here and there, just to make sure that, you know, things in your life are going good. Who doesn't talk to themselves? I don't know anyone who doesn't. And number 29, 3 things that annoy me easily. When I ask my husband a question he doesn't answer, that's one. I don't know. It's really about it, really, that I can think of. My favorite animal will be dogs. I like dogs. I don't own a dog, but I like them. My pets, never had a pet growing up. My family, my mom never believed in having pets because she's not gonna clean up after no one. And I don't think I had the responsibility, like the mindset of wanting to clean up after an animal. So I never had one. One thing I lied about, I'm a terrible liar. I can't lie for sheesh. So I don't know. I probably lie about like buying stuff because I'm not really supposed to be buying things right now. I'm supposed to be saving. So I'll probably lie about stuff like that. But yeah, I can't lie because I'll tell the secret or tell the truth about the lie. So yeah. Number 33, something that's currently worrying me. Nothing is worrying me right now. An embarrassing moment. An embarrassing moment. Do I have an embarrassing moment? I don't think so. I don't think so. Not that I can think of right now. So next, where do I work? Currently, I am just a customer service representative for FedEx. Yeah. Something that's constantly on my mind. My daughter. Yeah. I think it's a new mom thing, but yeah, she's constantly on my mind. 3 habits I have. Habits that I have. I love to read. I haven't been reading in a while, but I love to read. Singing, even though I'm not a really good singer, but I like to sing and dance. I'm not sure if you can call it you know, habit, but I try to do that every day, so it's like a habit. Yeah. My future goals, career wise, I would like to, I have a business right now, but it's not like fully up and running. I would like to get that fully up and running and where it needs to be. I want to be working for myself in the future, not working for anyone, and owning our own home in the future, you know, just stuff like that, making more money. I think everybody wants to do that eventually. That was 38. Number 39, something I fantasize about. Traveling, like going places. I really want to visit Dubai. Like Dubai just seems so pretty to me. I really want to, you know, just visit and see what it's like. And Paris and England. I want to go to England. I have family there, so it'd be nice to go and visit and see what it's all about. My favorite store has to be Macy's, because every time I go to Macy's, I'm always coming out with something. Macy's, it's my favorite store. That was number 40. Number 41, my favorite food has It's got to be Korigo and white rice. That's the shiznits. What did I do yesterday? Work. Work. That's it. Something I'm talented at. I don't really have any like specific talents. I can barely sing. It's somewhat of a talent because I sing in a choir. So yeah, singing, even though I'm not really good at singing, I don't think. My idea of a perfect date: staying at home, watching anime with hubby, wrapped up, and that's it. We can dress up and go out here and there, but I prefer to stay home and watch some TV. Hulu and chill. My celebrity crush, don't really have one. My favorite blog, I love Missy Lynn. She's really good. She's one of my favorites. Who else? I do love Nature B. I love watching her videos. She's awesome and she's so humble. I love who else? Jayla Corian is okay. I watch her videos here and there as well. And right now that's all I can really think of. I haven't really been watching a lot of YouTube lately. Number of kids that I have: 1. Just 1. Do I smoke or drink? I don't smoke, but I occasionally have a drink here or there, like some wine and stuff. One word that describes me. One word that describes me. The one word that came to mind was God-fearing. Even though I am not too much into church right now, I'm always in my mind, you know, communicating with God, having conversations, praying that He prays over my family, my, you know, our health, strength, finances, everything. God-fearing. And that was number 49. Number 50. My favorite quote. I should have looked it up before. I don't really have a favorite quote, but I always try to do things one step at a time, so I don't try to rush into things. You know, I'm not sure if there's a quote out there for that, but for me, it's just taking things one step at a time. You see someone doing better than you, but just know that your time is coming. Not everyone can do that, you know, can be successful at the same time. You know, you have to go through your own battles. So that would be, if there was a quote, that would be my favorite quote. But yes guys, that was number 50. I do thank you guys all for sticking in and hearing what I have to say and hearing just a little bit more about me. And if you have any other questions, you can leave it down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and come back again. Thank you. Bye.